Positivity, enlightenment, and good health is a top priority and on everyone's wish list as we embark a new beginning with an extremely exciting year ahead of us. A lot has happened since the outbreak of the pandemic, a transformative year as many would call it. The world did witness the greatest health scare. With endless possibilities, it is time to start another year, an exciting chapter in all our lives. Colors artists talk about their learnings from this year and expectations from the upcoming one. Rahul Sudhir, who plays Vansh Rai Singhania from Ishq Mein Mar Jawa 2, says, "This year was indeed very eventful for me. We saw it all this year. I will surely remember this year forever for the best and the worst reasons. But things started on an extremely positive note, and we are pleased to be among the first ones to resume shooting and launch a show." Jigyasa Singh, who plays Heer Singh from Shakti Astitwa Ke Ehsaas Ki, says, 2020 has been a roller coaster ride for me. The year presented me with immense opportunities and a lead role in Shakti. It was a very challenging role, yet I was happy to get a chance to portray such a unique and interesting character. Simba Nagpal, who plays Virat Singh from Shakti Astitwa Ke Ehsaas Ki, says, 2020 has been a quiet year for me. But for me, it was also very special. It brought to be an important role in Shakti Astitwa Ke Ehsaas Ki. I was very excited to meet and work with people who have continued to inspire me throughout. I have learned a lot from my co-stars and I believe I have improved as an actor. Amar Upadhyay, who plays Virendra Pratap Singh from Molki, says, "It has been a good year for me. This year I got back on the screen as Thakur Virendra Pratap Singh in Ekta Kapoor's new show Molki. I immersed myself completely in this wonderful new character. Besides this year I learned a lot of new things." Sahil Uppal, who plays Omkar from Pinjra Khoobsurati Ka, says, "While 2020 was a challenging year, it has taught me to value and appreciate my family even more. Now as we end the year, I am only looking forward to the next with a lot of positivity." Riya Sharma, who plays Mayura from Pinjra Khoobsurati Ka, says, "I am honestly happy to bid adieu to 2020. It has been a very challenging year for everyone, but I see that things are changing for better now. For me, 2020 fared well as I landed an amazing and powerful role in such an entertaining show like Pinjra Khoobsurati Ka." Surbhi Chandana, who plays Bani from Nagin 5, says, "I consider myself blessed that 2020 has been a year of growth, both as an artist and as a person. I was all quite overwhelming facing the camera after the lockdown, but my parents gave me courage. I am thankful to be working on such an interesting show with such a strong legacy." Pravishta Mishra, who plays Anirudh Roy Chaudhary from Barrister Babu, says, "This year has been definitely challenging for all of us. To be honest, I am glad to see that it's over. If anything, this year has taught us to be is patience and to find defiant in the face of adversity." Aura Bhatnagar, who plays Bondita from Barrister Babu, says, "I've missed playing outside with my friends the most. I wish and pray for a new year to begin with a lot of happiness and cheer. In 2021, I look forward to learning new things and becoming a better actress." Aditya Oja, who plays Yug Pratap Rajput from Namak Ishq Ka, says, "This will be a working new year for me and I am glad that it is that way. 2020 was one huge learning experience for the entire human race. It has tested us to the core and I feel that we have pulled through rather well. Going into 2021, I hope that people continue to be kind to each other. Here's wishing everyone a very happy new year in advance. Stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates."
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.